Welcome everyone. So till now you get familiarized with the Arduino and install Arduino IDE. In this video I will familiarize you with the Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino IDE all of you have installed, and it's divided into 4 parts. There's the upper menu, then the middle toolbar, then editor, and it's the bottom part. So let's discuss first the menu bar. Here you have 5 different options which are rarely used because all these are given here in toolbar in shortcut forms, so they are not much required, but still some of options are important, so we will discuss about them. So first, in file you have different options that are basic, and here to discuss is the example one, from which you can find different examples that are the code inbuilt by the Arduino. These are basic examples. You can write in the Arduino and check whether your Arduino is working or not. And then after here another one is to preferences, which is used to save the directory where you want to store your codes. And then in edit we have not an important one. Then in sketch all these are given in shortcut. So here is upload using programmer. When you are using a different programming module to program your Arduino, then you use this option. And here's another one, include libraries. When you are using different components like mouse or control keyboard etc., or servo motors, then you need to have installed the libraries. Libraries are the inbuilt functions that consist of a particular code to run any object. Like if you are using a servo motor, then to run servo motor you need to write a very complex code, but Arduino has written that code and saved it in libraries, and for every object there is a library provided by Arduino or any other user. You can download most of the libraries by internet. Like to use motors you need Adafruit library when you are using a Arduino 3D shield. Then in tools we have 2 important options, that is serial monitor and plotter, about we will discuss in toolbar. And then here one is board. So when you are using Arduino Uno, then you have to select Arduino Uno from these options, and like Arduino Nano I have selected here because I have worked on Arduino Nano before. So if you select another one and you are using a different one, then it will not write your code and provide an error, because the method to write code and the working of every single board is different from other. So you have to make sure that you have collected a particular one. So most of us are using Arduino Uno in this course, so here is the third one, Arduino Genuine Uno. So select this one to work. So after that we have get board info. It's also very important. It will provide us the information of our board that we are using, and also the port on which it's connected, which is given by COM, and it's written here like COM6 here. And after that we have programmer, AVR, SPM, and burn bootloader, which are used when we are using AVR to program our module, and burn bootloader is also used then, and we simply don't use them. And in help we have simple options about which you can check. After that we have the toolbar here, on which we work a lot. So in this, first of all we have a tick option here, and it's used to verify our sketch, and also it's known as verify button. It checks whether our code we have written is correct or not, and also it provides the information about our code, that it contains the storage, or it has taken the storage of that amount in our Arduino. And after that we have upload button, which is used to upload our sketch to the Arduino board. You can upload your sketch just by installing your Arduino or simply connecting your Arduino and then clicking on upload button. If your correct is code, then if your code is correct, then it will upload it. And then after you have a new button, on clicking which you get a new editor window. And then you have an open button used to open your save codes, and then a save button used to save your code that you are writing. And after all these 5 we have a very important option here, that is serial monitor. Most of you are thinking sometimes that where the information is stored which we get by our sensors. So if you are using a sensor, let me assume a light sensor, it means you are detecting the intensity of light in your room, then the information is stored in it or displayed in serial monitor. It's just a plotter here. It will not work because I have not connected any sensor or any Arduino here. So it will provide you a screen on which different options are written, which contains the information of intensity at that points, and provide a large number of observation. Like a simple example is, if you are using ultrasound sensor, then in 1 second it will provide more than 50,000 observations. So that's about the toolbar. After that we have the editor part. Here you can write your sketch and upload to the board. So the editor part consists of two main things, that is void setup and void loop, about which we will discuss in programming. And a little about them is like that void setup is the main thing that defines the what we are going to use in our code, and the loop is which is repeating one by one constantly till our Arduino is stopped or the power is switched off. And then in last we have the bottom part, which will provide us the information that we have error or not. So here's the error, like board axiom is not available because I have not connected any board. So it will provide us the error which is in our code or we are doing when working. And this bar provides us the information about our size and that it's uploaded or not, our progress. And in bottom it will provide us the name of our board which we are using and the port. So this is all about the Arduino IDE. Nothing is left about it. And after that we will discuss the programming, that how we can program any of the project we want to. And for that we will work on different projects. One by one I will explain every of them, and you will be able to understand what I mean to say in every video. So thank you for watching.